Hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with a new toy. Not the van. Van's awesome. But this little ankle biter here. This is a Troy-Bilt Sickle Bar mower. And our goal is, and we'll probably put this both on the Red Barn Homestead channel and Turbo 231, to hay our own fields. We have a lot of horse pasture that can't get a big tractor in, but you could definitely get this thing into. So we said, well, let's go ahead and do that. So essentially what it consists of is a motor, a large pulley there, which actually sits on a pulley and makes these bars go back and forth, and it's a sickle bar mower. So you just walk behind it here. So we're just going to give it a quick, we just got it out of the van. We're going to give it a quick run around. We're going to check the oil, check the gas. This one is a primer bulb unit. Yep, right there. So we're just going to go ahead and fire it up, and if everything's cool, and going to take it over there and just give it a quick spin, and you guys get to come along. Alrighty, so first thing we'll check is the oil. And it looks like it's got some and it's in fair condition. It's slippery, so that's really what I'm looking for. And then I'm pretty sure it's got gas because it smelled like gas the whole way home. Got enough gas for what we're doing. Now, I'm told that the operation of this unit is, there is this lever here which turns the sickle bar on and off, and to start the engine it has to be off. And then these thumb controllers here, by squeezing the handle it shuts the wheel off. And then there's a thumb switch here that lets you permanently just latch it in. So they call them thumb things, because you can just tick them over and they stop the. So they have to be also, so the machine is freewheeling, nothing's engaged with the motor. And then here's your dead man switches. So if either the sickle bar or the wheels are engaged, you have to have the operator presence control engaged or it will shut it off. So they're really scared about you hurting yourself. And then we have a throttle right here. So that looks like it works too. So we have fuel and oil. I'm going to adjust the, see these bars out front here that adjust the height? I'm going to go grab, looks like a 13. We're going to adjust those and then we'll fire it up. Yep. So this one is actually set to be all the way down, which is not what we want. We want a little bit of, so you loosen these two up, 13 ½ inch, whatever. And I found that if you loosen them all the way up to the point where they're flush with the bolt, that gives you enough clearance. Now they're very in the manual, don't touch the, because they're worried you're going to cut yourself. And I understand that. So we've already got this other one adjusted. It's kind of a interesting little system here. And you kind of get it to rock down to about, that's about where the other one is. And we retighten them down. Other way. I think that's pretty close till we get this thing inspected, but we just want to kind of see what we got for a new toy. So those are tight, so now we're off the ground, which is our key here. So now we have about what, 2 inches, 3 inches?
About the depth of my hand.
2 inches, 3 inches?
Yep.
Of work there. Now I don't know the last time this started, but it does have a primer bulb, so we'll hit that 10 times. I don't know, it said it ran and started. Well, there we go. It's like they used a, it smells like old gas. Looks like they used a lawnmower engine. pretty darn awesome, actually. What we're looking to do is bale this stuff. And this is perfectly baleable, cut right off at the bottom. We'll probably put the bar up as high as we can go for our fields, just because this is it. I have 6 acres of land that of which we probably only keep animals on 3 or 4 of them. So we have those other 3 or 4 acres that we can use to hay. So I'm really impressed with that. So there'll be another video. We'll do some maintenance on it and stuff. But look at this. This is, I also got to do a video on how to build a baling box. But
yeah,
awesome.
That'll be great.
So that's our just out of the box kind of a sickle bar mower. And I think it's going to pay for itself here. Because we'll keep some, we'll sell some, whatever. But it's a neat little machine so far. If you have any questions, there will be more videos on this one. We'll go through the bars and the mechanisms and stuff like that, check belts and stuff. But we just got it. We spent quite a couple bucks on it, so we wanted to see how exciting it is. And there you go. So if you have any questions, ask them, comments, leave them. And subscribe to my channel, Turbo 231, or the Red Barn Homestead channel, or check out the other one, either one, because we'll put them on both. And you guys have a good day. We'll do a 20-second hold for cards. All those fields to the road, plus the ditch, we can mow. This one we don't mow, because this is where the sheep will be in the wintertime. But beyond the fence there's another field that we will mow, and that one we'll see how it goes. It's natural grass, so it's not so great. There's the animals right over there that we're talking about.